Welcome everybody, my name is Marcus Stone, and in this video you will learn how you can easily add social media share buttons for your site in Weebly. So let's say that you have a blog here and you would like to add here the buttons so people can share the site. So what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on a link in the description. When you're going to click there, L's site is an amazing site with a lot of widgets, and one of them is social media buttons. Click here on sign up for free. When you're going to sign up for free, just create an account through Gmail or Facebook or just normal. Let's click login. And in application, you want to write social. First, you see it here, social media icons. Social share buttons, I'm sorry. Click on social share buttons and create a widget. Now here, you can go like with the inline buttons or share icons. I really like the inline buttons or small buttons. This one is even better, I think. So continue with the template. And now you can also Facebook, Twitter, interested. You can go social network like, I don't know, even LinkedIn, Skype, so many of them. You can choose whatever. So let's delete this. Yes. When you have it, you have got also layout. You can do with the floating or inline. I like the inline one. Buttons. You can go also with the text, but I would just leave icon, and you can go with the style, change the colors if you want. Now just click save. And first you have option which plan you want to choose. You can choose light plan, it's like $0 per month, or go with the all packs, and that's like basic pack, $15 a month. I will get to it after I show you how you can implement the social buttons. So start with light and then you can upgrade to basic. So now we got a code here. Let's go to our site. Let's embed the code here, and let's say that this is end or off block. Let's just imagine it. Now let's click the HTML and let's paste it. Voila, we got perfect. We got like perfect. Oh my God, where is it here? Social media. And if someone would click, he would share it on Facebook, Twitter, or Pinterest. So now this is how you add the social media share buttons. And about the packs, I recommend check it out, guys. Check all applications you got here that you would like to use, and you can go with $15 a month, 55,000 views per application, $15, that's like good, or with monthly $18. Really up to you what you choose, and if you like the single app or L apps. So that's kind of it. Thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. And also we got 14-day money back guarantee, and that's pretty good. So yeah, goodbye.